Con il mio amico Davide, partiamo da Ferrara, per incontrare il resto del gruppo a Verona. Sul tragitto troviamo un cielo grigio e un po' di nebbia. Compattato il gruppo a Verona, ci dirigiamo verso le strade della Lessinia con un cielo che si mostra azzurrissimo. Possiamo dire che il panorama inizia a farsi interessante. Iniziamo a salire. Le strade sono umide, soprattutto nelle zone d'ombra, e sporche dal fogliame caduto dagli alberi. Un pensiero inizia a perseguitarmi: vai piano.
defined by how you appear. Liar, liar tells you happiness comes from the feeling of that kiss. Liar, liar's tugging at your heart. Money, fame, and fortune is his dark art. Oh, look out for the lies. They're wearing their disguise, promising you life, they're killing you inside. Look out for the lies. Don't try to compromise. Hold to what is right. Claim the truth and fight. Look out for the lies. Liar, liar whispers in your ear. You're the reason daddy's not here. Liar, liar tells you that success comes to those who never stop to rest. Liar, liar leads you to believe beauty and attention will meet your needs. Oh, look out for the lies. They're wearing their disguise, promising you life, they're killing you inside. Look out for the lies. Don't try to compromise. Hold to what is right. Claim the truth and fight. Look out for the lies. Liar, liar whispers in your ear. You're the reason daddy's not here. Liar, liar tells you that success comes to those who never stop to rest. Liar, liar leads you to believe beauty and attention will meet your needs. Oh, look out for the lies. They're wearing their disguise, promising you life, they're killing you inside. Look out for the lies.
Siamo già in un autunno avanzato. I colori di questa stagione sono incantevoli e anche un po' malinconici.
Look out for the lies. But the truth will set you free. You are more than what you see. You are loved immeasurably. You're a child of the king. Look out for the lies. They're wearing their disguise, promising you life, killing you inside. Look out for the lies. Don't try to compromise. Hold to what is right. Claim the truth and fight. Look out for the lies. They're wearing their disguise, promising you life, but killing you inside. Look out for the lies. Don't try to compromise. Hold to what is right. Claim the truth and fight. Oh,
when you're next to me. I feel like you were gone. It's all the things.
Ti ricordi dei pensieri che prima si insinuavano nella mente?
They're all the things I want.
Modera la velocità, vai piano.
Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Eyes ahead, I catch my breath. Open heart and open head, you come to me. Life begins, the dawn is breaking. We watch the sky, watch for the signs. Feel your heart so close to mine, and to know that I can still keep moving. Oh, I see how you keep holding me, yeah, giving me the freedom.
Quando la tua mente non va d'accordo con il tuo polso destro, succede questo.
It was the fire inside you. It was the fire I found. Gave me strength to stand and fight, and the strength to carry on. Hand in hand, side by side.
Quando meno te l'aspetti, una curva monella con l'umido per terra e la tua moto parcheggiata sull'erba.
Through the unknown, keep on moving, rise and fall as darkness fades, allowing love to permeate every part of us. Life begins as dawn is breaking. See how you keep holding me, yeah, giving me the freedom and the strength to carry on. It was the fire inside you. It was the fire I found. Gave me strength to stand and fight, and the strength to carry on. It was the fire inside you. It was the fire I found. Gave me strength to stand and fight, and the strength to carry on.
Ripartiamo senza danni al pilota e alla moto. Il lato positivo di girare in gruppo è che se ti cade la moto ci sono gli amici per tirarla su. Logicamente questa caduta sarà poi usata per lo sfottò al ristorante. È bello poi farti prendere in giro quando non ci sono stati danni.